Lately we've been working on more complex projects, garments, and I thought let me bring something a little more simple, a little more quick to make since we're in the holiday season. And I came across this pattern, I really liked it, and I thought I'm gonna share. This is some leftover yarn from a previous project, and I'm just gonna keep using it. We'll see if this is gonna turn into a cowl or a full-length scarf. We'll see how that goes. This is how it looks like. I'm still working on it. It's not blocked, not washed, but it works up really quickly, and it uses only chains, single crochets, and double crochets. I'm going to be using this one that I'm usually using to show the stitches, number 3 light, and a 5mm hook. The pattern calls for multiples of 17 plus 7 at the end. So here I have 34. I'm going to add 7 more. And this will have only 2 sections. So multiples of 17, once you're done with the width, you're going to add 7 at the end. For row number 1, you are going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Chain 5, skip 4, 4, 5, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet into the next. Skip 2, double crochet into the next, chain 1, double crochet into the same, chain 1, double crochet into the same, like so. Skip 2, single crochet into the next, skip 2, 3 double crochets separated by chain 1 into the next. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the same, chain 1, and double crochet into the same. Skip 2, single crochet into the next, like so. Then chain 5, skip 4, single crochet into the next, and this will be your repeat. Skip 2, 3 double crochets separated by chain 1 into the next, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet, all in one chain. Skip 2, single crochet into the next, skip 2, 3 double crochets separated by chain 1 into the next, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Then we'll skip 2, single crochet into the next. And this is how you're going to be repeating from here on until you reach the full length of your chain. So you would chain 5, skip 4, single crochet into the next. Here we've finished the row, and this is what we are looking at. Turn the work, chain 3, that counts as a double crochet, plus chain 2, single crochet into the third chain of the chain 5 arch, chain 5, single crochet into the second double crochet of this group, now into the single crochet you are gonna put the 3 double crochets separated by chain 1, all 3 of them into the single crochet. And I will attach the diagram at the end of the video so you can screenshot it and have it if you are more of a chart person. Then we're gonna single crochet into the second double crochet of the next group. So see this cluster. Then chain 5, single crochet into the third chain of the next arch, chain 5, single crochet into the second double crochet of the next group. And now we're gonna place this shell into the single crochet, like in between those two groups. So into the single crochet we'll put the double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and single crochet into the second double crochet into of the next group, chain 5, single crochet into the third chain of the next arch. And you are going to be repeating this until you reach the end of the row. So you can see the one of the shells is in between the two. Same here, the shell is in between the two. And chain 5, single crochet into the arch. And to finish the row we'll chain 2, and double crochet into the single crochet of the previous row. And this is row number 2 complete. Row number 3, chain 1, single crochet into the very first stitch. Now we need an arch, chain 5, single crochet into the third chain of the next arch. And here they're symmetrical, so you're going to be repeating rows 2 and 3 until you reach the desired length of the project. So see, here we have this shell. So on this single crochet we're going to build our next shell. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, single crochet into the second double crochet of the next shell, and right here on this single crochet we're gonna put another shell. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And you can see row number 3 is a repeat of row number 1. So now we are gonna single crochet into the third chain of the next arch, chain 5, single crochet into the third chain of the next arch, and build a shell on top of into the single crochet. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. We're gonna single crochet into the second double crochet of this shell and put another shell into this single crochet. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Single crochet into the third chain of the next chain 5 arch. And you are gonna carry on with the pattern. Chain 5, you're gonna single crochet into the next chain 5 arch and gonna keep building the shells. Once you get to the end of the row, we're gonna chain 5, and single crochet into the third chain from the beginning of the previous row. and this way everything is symmetrical. Now we're gonna repeat row number 2. So rows 2 and 3 till you reach the desired length. So row number 2 starts with chain 5. The chain 3 counts as a double crochet plus chain 2, single crochet into the third chain of the chain 5 arch, chain 5, single crochet into the second double crochet of the shell, a shell into the single crochet, so double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and a single crochet into the second double crochet of the next shell. This is what we got. Now chain 5, single crochet into the third chain of the next arch, chain 5 again, single crochet into the second double crochet of the next shell, a shell into the single crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet, and then a single crochet into the second double crochet here. You're gonna keep going till the end of the row. So chain 5, single crochet into the third chain of the next arch, and if you are continuing the row, you're gonna chain 5 again and single crochet into the next group or into the next shell, so on. To finish the row, you're gonna finish it exactly how you started it, chain 2, double crochet into the single crochet of the previous row. And this is the repeat of row number 2. The repeat of row number 3, we're chaining 1, putting a single crochet into the same first stitch, chain 5, single crochet into the third chain of the next arch, and building, see, shell, shell, building a shell into this single crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and single crochet into the second double crochet of the next shell. Then we go to the next single crochet and putting a shell in it, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and single crochet into the third chain of the next arch. There we go. And this is the finished product. Let me measure it for you so you can get the idea. 13, it's 26 inches long and 11 inches wide. So when you finish the project, I would suggest finish with the repeat of row number 2, where we have only one shell. So when we put it together, let's turn it with the wrong side towards us. It doesn't have right side or wrong side, but I'm always considering right side, the one that I started, and the one that is facing me. So this one would be the right side. So when I put it together like this, so we have the repeat of row number 2 perfectly fitting the beginning, and I left a long tail here. I'm gonna sew it together. We're gonna use a darning needle. You can do slip stitches if you'd like. I feel like sewing will make it less visible, or a thinner suture. I don't know how to call it. All right, so we're gonna find this single crochet right here, and we are gonna sew into each loop, or we can grab both loops. It really depends, since it's not gonna be like a sweater hanging on the shoulders and dragging down. You can be taking one loop from each side, or you can be taking two loops. It's up to you. And we would have to align the single crochets with the single crochets, and when you align it, you want this shell to be in between these two, just something like that. But again, you can do however you want. And this is how the seam looks like. And I would like this double crochet to fall into this single crochet, the middle double crochet to be in the single crochet, to be perfectly aligned. And this is what I'm gonna do, like so. And you would keep going all the way until you are done completely with the row, and this is how it's gonna look on the other side. So there is nothing wrong with having a seam. All the cowls have a seam unless they're worked in a round. Alrighty, I'll finish and I'll be back. There you have it, a very easy and quick to work cowl. It's very chic, nice, it's lightweight, and yeah, I think whomever you are gonna give it to are gonna enjoy it as a Christmas gift.